In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rept function in Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the Rept tab at the bottom. This is the worksheet where we'll demonstrate how the function works. If your workbook has multiple tabs, make sure you're on the correct one before entering anything, so your formula matches the example properly. On this sheet, we're going to look at what the Rept function does and how to use it in a simple, practical way. The Rept function in Excel is used to repeat a character, word, number, or text string a specific number of times. It's especially useful when you want to create repeated symbols, visual text patterns, or duplicate a value inside a single cell without typing it over and over manually. Now move to column G. This is where we'll enter the formula. Click in the cell where you want the repeated result to appear. Then type equals REPT, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the data from column F. In this example, type F9. This tells Excel which cell contains the value you want to repeat. Next, add a comma and then type the number of times you want Excel to repeat that character or value. This second part of the formula controls the repetition count. Once you've entered that number, close the parenthesis to complete the formula. Your formula should follow the basic structure of Rept. Then the cell reference, then the repetition number. After entering the formula, press Enter. You'll immediately see the result appear in the cell. As you'll notice, the Rept function repeats the character or value based on the number you provided. So if the source cell contains a letter, symbol, or word, Excel will display it over and over in the same cell according to that count. This is a very simple function, but it can be surprisingly useful. It helps save time, reduces manual typing, and makes it easier to create repeated text consistently. If your result doesn't look right, double check that you referenced the correct cell from column F and that the repetition number is entered correctly. Even a small typo in the formula can affect the output. Once you understand the pattern, you can reuse the same function in other cells with different values and repetition amounts. It's a quick and efficient way to work with repeated text in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.